Hi friends, Harida here. Now, if you want to multiply 54 and 46, you can take 10 as the actual base and 50 as the working base. 54 is 4 more than 50, 46 is 4 less than 50. So, 54 you can either cross add this or cross add this or cross subtract this. So 54 minus 4 or 46 plus 4 will give 50 on the left hand side, and then 4 times minus 4 is minus 16, but you can have only one digit on the right hand side because you are taking 10 as the actual base, which has only 1 0. So only one digit can be only one digit can be there on the right hand side. So bar 1 and bar 6. Why this is minus 16, right? So I am writing it as bar 1 bar 6, and these are called Vinkalam numbers in Vedic maths. Vinkalam numbers are nothing but negative numbers, and I'll tell you how to do arithmetic operations on Vinkalam numbers. I'll be uploading a video on that soon. And here what you will do is 50, the working base. 50 is the working base. 50 is 5 times 10. So you have to multiply this 50 by 5. That is left hand side. You have to do that operation. So 50 into 5 is 250 and bar 1 bar 6. So you will get it as 25 bar 1 bar 6. When you have bar digits, that is Vinkalam digits, what you have to do is subtract 1 from the immediate left digit. So you will get 24, and then in order to make this normal digit, what you have to do is subtract the rightmost digit from 10, and all the other digits you have to subtract from 9. So 6 is subtracted from 10, which will give 4, and this 1 you can subtract from 9, which will give you 8. So 2484 is the answer. Now multiply 19 by 19. 19 times 19. So we can consider the actual base as 10 and working base as 20. And 19 is 1 less than 20. So 19 minus 1, 19 minus 1. Then cross subtract. 19 minus 1 is 18, and minus 1 into minus 1 is 1. But this is the left hand side and this is the right hand side. Since 20 is 2 times 10, you have to multiply this also by 2, which will give 36, and 361 is the answer. You can do this by keeping the working base also as 10. When the working base, the actual base and working base are same. So 19 is more than 10 by 9. So 19 plus 9, 19 plus 9, and 19 plus 9 will give you 28, and 9 times 9 is 81. You can have only one digit on the right hand side. So take this 8 as carry. So 28 plus 8 is 36, and 361 is the answer. We got the same answer. Now 62 multiplied by 48. You can take 10 as the actual base and 40 as the working base. So here 62 is 22 more than 40, and 48 is 8 more than 40. 62 plus 8 is 70, and 22 times 8 is 176, right? So 17 you have to take as carry. Only one digit should come on the right hand side since the actual base is 10. And before carrying it, you have to do this operation, that is 40 is 4 times 10. So 70 into 4. You have to do 70 into 4. 7 times 4 is 28. So 280. 2806, and 17 is carry here. So you will get 2976 as the answer. Now we'll do 62 multiplied by 48 when the actual base is 10 and working base is 60. Here 62 is 2 more than 60, 48 is 12 less than 60. So 62 minus 12 or 48 plus 2 will give 50, and 2 times minus 12 is minus 24. Only one digit will be there on the right hand side because actual base is 10, which is having only 1 0. So 50 and bar 2, bar 4. Bar 2 is the carry. But before carrying bar 2, you have to do the operation, that is 60 is 6 times 10. So you have to multiply this 50 also by 6. You will get 300, then bar 2, bar 4. You subtract 2 from 300, you will get 298, and bar 4 is there on the right hand side. So in order to make this a normal number, you have to subtract 1 from the leftmost digit. So you will get 297. That is, you have to subtract 1 from the immediate left digit, and for bar digits you have to apply all from 9 and the last from 10. So since this is only one digit is there, you have to subtract this from 10. So you will get 6 here. So 2976 is the answer. 62 multiplied by 48. We'll see when the actual base is 10 and working base is 50. 62 is 12 more than 50. 48 is 2 less than 50. 62 minus 2 is 60. 12 times minus 2 is minus 24. This minus 2 should come here. Minus 2, 4. So then since 50 is 5 times 10, you have to multiply this 60 also by 5. You will get 300 and bar 2, bar 4. This is bar 4. So subtracting 2 from 300, you will get 298 and bar 4. Now to convert the Vinkalam number to normal number, you have to subtract 1 from the immediate left digit and then apply all from 9 and the last from 10 to the bar digit. So you will get 2976 as the answer. 62 multiplied by 48 will do when the actual base is 100 and the working base is 50. So 62 is 12 times 50. 62 is 12 more than 50. 48 is 2 less than 50. 62 minus 2 is 60. 12 times minus 2 is minus 24. You can take 2 digits on the right hand side because the actual base is 100, which is having 2 zeros. So 60 bar 2 bar 4. Now you just convert this into now just divide this by 2 because 50 is 100 divided by 2. Because 50 is 100 divided by 2. So 60 by 2 is 30 and bar 2 bar 4. Now this is a Vinkalam number. You have to convert this to normal number. For converting this to normal number, subtract 1 from the immediate left digit. So 30 minus 1 is 29 and apply all from 9 and the last from 10 to the bar digits. So subtract this from 10 and this from 9. That is, subtract the extreme right digit you have to subtract from 10 and all the other digits you have to subtract from 9. So 9 minus 2 is 7 and 10 minus 4 is 6. 2976 is the answer. In order to multiply 23 by 21, if we take 10 as the actual base and 30 as the working base, 23 is 7 less than 30 and 21 is 9 less than 30. Here only one digit will be there on the right hand side. Now 23 minus 9 or 21 minus 7 is 14. And 7 nines are 63. Only one digit should come on the right hand side. Now this 30 is 3 times 10. 30 is 3 times 10. So multiply this 14 by 3, which will give 42 and 3. Now you have to add the 6 also, which is a carry here. So 483 is the answer. Now we'll do when the actual base is 10 and the working base is 20. Same problem we'll do. So 23 times 21, actual base is 10 and working base is 20. So 23 is 3 more than 20, 21 is 1 more than 20, 23 plus 1 is 24 and 3 times 1 is 3. Now you have to multiply this by 2 because 20 is 2 times 10. So 24 multiplied by 2 is 48. 483 is the answer. Same answer you got. So with this I am concluding this video. Bye and thank you.